How to block someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to block someone on Facebook. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now all you have to do is find a profile that you want to block. So let me just quickly scroll down here and find a profile. So I'll just go over here and tap on this profile. Tap on the three dots right besides it and then simply tap on block. Tap on block and you're good to go. Now you won't be able to interact with them unless you unblock them, and all of your photos, videos, and your comments will be hidden for them on your profile. That is basically it, guys. That's how you block someone on Facebook. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.